Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel just here and there. This is Ronald. Monsoon season in southwestern part of India is a magical time, bringing life and vibrancy to the region. The monsoon rain transforms Western Ghats into a lush emerald green paradise. The hills, forests and valleys are rejuvenated and the landscape becomes breathtakingly beautiful. The region will be enveloped in a misty veil, creating a mystical atmosphere. The mist adds to the allure of the Western Ghats, making it a perfect time for the nature lovers and photographers. The monsoon rains brings out the best waterfalls and streams. The gushing water creates a soothing melody and the scenery becomes even more picturesque and beautiful. In this monsoon season, most of the reservoirs will be full, and these reservoirs attracts large crowds. Ultimately, monsoon in southwestern part of India will be like heaven on earth. I am from Coorg, which is also known as the Scotland of India, and in this monsoon, I visited to one of the most popular waterfalls named Iruppu Waterfalls. Falling from a height of 170 feet, Iruppu Falls is a sight worth remembering, a popular place to visit in Coorg. This waterfall catches everyone's attention not only with its mesmerizing beauty but also with its thundering sound. The name Irupu is derived from a Kannada word for roaring, which aptly describes the thunderous sound of the water as it plunges down the rocky terrain. This beautiful waterfalls is located in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats, about 80 kilometers from Madikeri, the headquarters of Coorg district. In the midst of refreshing greenery, the Iruppu waterfalls create nothing less than a heaven for nature seekers. Visitors can visit these falls throughout the year. Entry fee is 75 rupee per person and it's open daily from 8:30 am till 5 pm. From this point, you need to walk around 1 kilometer and climb 225 steps to reach the waterfalls. From my point of view, the trek to the waterfalls can be challenging, especially for senior citizens or those with knee problems. Wear comfortable shoes, carry water and snacks, and be cautious of slippery rocks. Did you know this falls is also known as Lakshmana Tirtha Falls? This name comes from a local legend where Lakshmana, the brother of Lord Rama from the epic Ramayana, shot an arrow to create a water source for the thirsty Rama. The river that starts from this falls, the Lakshmana Tirtha river, also carries this name. This means Iruppu Waterfalls is not just a spectacular waterfall, whereas it is also a sacred site for Hindus. For the next few minutes, I will give you a walk tour until the falls. I hope you like it, so stay tuned and please watch this video till the end. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe and share. Pepsinaka, Secolus.